Today I am reviewing the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First, let's talk about the sound. The Acton III features a re-engineered wider stereo soundstage compared to previous versions, which means the audio fills your room more completely and immersively. Whether you're playing rock, jazz, classical, or hip-hop, the signature Marshall tone comes through with rich, dynamic clarity. The 60-watt maximum output power means this little bookshelf speaker packs a punch that can easily fill medium-sized rooms without distortion or muddiness. What makes the Acton III especially great for everyday use is how simple it is to get started. You just pair your device through Bluetooth 5.2. That's the latest Bluetooth standard, offering faster, more stable connections and lower latency for seamless audio streaming. It also supports a 3.5mm auxiliary input for wired connections. So if you prefer, you can plug in older devices without Bluetooth. Once connected, you can immediately start enjoying your music with no complicated setup or confusing apps. Marshall has not only focused on sound quality, but also on sustainability with this generation. The Acton III is crafted using 70% recycled plastic and is entirely free from PVC, reflecting the brand's commitment to environmental responsibility. It's a rare combination of high-end audio performance and eco-friendly materials, making it a responsible choice for conscious consumers. Visually, the Acton III stays true to Marshall's classic look with a black vinyl exterior, iconic gold accents, and a compact footprint that fits neatly on any shelf, desk, or countertop. It's designed to blend into your living space stylishly without overwhelming the room. The controls are simple yet tactile. You get classic Marshall knob for volume, bass, and treble adjustment right on the speaker, giving you hands-on control over your sound preferences. This allows you to tailor the audio to your room's acoustics or your mood without reaching for your phone. One of the best features here is the longevity and reliability of the wireless connection. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.2, you get a stable signal over longer distances, fewer dropouts, and compatibility with the latest devices. Whether you're streaming from smartphone, laptop, or tablet, the Acton III keeps your music flowing smoothly. In summary, the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth home speaker is a perfect blend of powerful, signature Marshall sound, modern wireless technology, and sustainable design. It offers easy setup, great looks, and impressive performance, all packed into a compact size that fits effortlessly into your home or office. If you want a speaker that sounds amazing, looks stylish, and respects the environment, the Acton III is an excellent investment. Whether you're a casual listener or a true audiophile, this speaker will bring your music to life with a rich, immersive soundstage and crystal clear detail.